All right, we're back, everyone. So today, April 21st, Wednesday, and it's a train wreck. I'm frustrated and angry. Not too angry, but just frustrated. We're sitting in this slow market, and today was another day of waking up and looking at the scanner list here and just going, yeah, there's probably not going to be much to trade today, and that's kind of how it was. But anyways, out of boredom, yeah, I guess it was boredom with just that, coming to the market every day. I just wanted to trade. I wanted to trade something, even if it was for, 10, 20, $50. I don't care. Just something green. So out of that feeling, that mentality, I was able to go red today, unfortunately. And so, I was, like I said, initially thinking to myself, well, today's going to be another day of no trades. But like I said, I wanted a piece of something, and it's definitely not a good um, mentality or feeling to pursue on in this type of market right now because it's just so slow. So, anyways, let's dive into the recap here and show you where I'm sitting today. I'm down negative $91. So not much, but hey, it's still red. And I kept digging myself a hole. It started small and I wanted to get back and get revenge. And it was just, I knew it was kind of coming, yet I hard time of holding back and trying to redeem myself, which is sad because I wasn't even small to begin with, a small loss. Let me show you the progress for today. Here I am. So the stock I traded today was mainly WBT. And here's my progress. Starting off, first trade down $10. That's nothing. Down 19. And I could have easily just walked away or just sat on my hands. But no, I wanted to be right. I wanted to, make things right. And with that attitude in this market, I just kept digging and digging and digging. And it was, small increments, but small increments can lead to something much bigger. So it ended up being down negative 97. Had, you know, tiny trades in the right direction, but it was worthless. So anyway, sitting down negative 91 as of right now, and I just don't see anything trading. So let's look at the actual trades. I'm not going to go through all of them, but here's WBT. So the problem with this thing is, I'm looking at the list here, and this is the top percentage gainer for today at this point. And, it's only up 41% right here at this point. And I thought it might eventually break out a little bit higher, but it's just really going nowhere. This thing is just going sideways. And so let's take a quick look and see where I first went in at 2191 at 1125. Yeah, so I wasn't, I kind of missed this whole slow growth here of this thing moving up. So the thing about it is you have to get into this on this stock. You have to get into it and then be willing to sit in it for a while to really get a good percentage gain off of it. And I just wasn't willing to do that. So I kind of missed this whole thing. And then I saw it kept hitting this resistance point at, 2150. And eventually it broke past that. And that's kind of where I got interested. I wanted to get in for the move higher. And I was just, every trade I got into on this thing, I was on the wrong side of it. I just, I'd hop in, it'd go down a little bit, and I would sell for the loss, and then it would, start going the other direction. And that would make me go, shit, I was wrong on it, and I would want to hop back in for the next trade. So anyways, first trade was at 2191. and got in and then had to sell for a loss at 21.81. And that was the theme all day long. It's just these small losses that just started adding up and got nowhere with it. Absolutely nowhere. And, you know, we even got into this area here where, unfortunately, I stepped out of the room right when this broke through this area, when it was retesting the high of 22 here. And it rips past it just for a second and then fades and goes the other way. So I missed that piece and, you know, got frustrated at that. So just absolutely spinning my wheels today. I did take one little stab at MVIS. And I mean, it was just kind of pointless too, because I think it hit its high. Let's see. Bought in at 1249. Where's that at? Yeah, right in here. Sold at 1252. And yeah, I mean, it was a little something, but I don't know. It just not impressed by anything today. And you know, that boredom, that frustration will lead into bad trades if you don't manage it. And I really didn't manage it well today, and I just kept digging. I should have, you know, cut it off back in here after my, you know, maybe my third loss. You know, while these aren't really big numbers at all, this is really small stuff. It's still, you know, still red, so it's not fun to be down $100 on the day. So let's look at the calendar real quick before I leave you guys. Yesterday, no trades. Today, down $91, and Monday was halfway decent. I mean, I was up 261, so just getting nowhere this month. Absolutely nowhere. It's been so slow. I've had 4 days of no trades in this month, which is rare, very rare for me. And because of that, I felt like, once again, I just didn't want to not trade anything today. You know, since I showed up and hung out, was looking for things to trade. But that's, you know, that's a bad habit right there. Definitely don't want to pick that up. It's obviously way better to be sitting on your hands, not trading anything versus being red. So I should have just listened to my first initial thought, which was, hey, this might not be a day to trade. And I didn't do that, and because of it, I'm red. So I want to hear from you guys. What did you trade today? If you were green, please pat yourself on the back. Because with my experience, it's just been, this has been a tougher market to trade in. And if you've done well, then hey, you know, you deserve a little pat on the back if you're green today. So well done. If you're red, hey, I'm there with you. But let me know. I want to know what you guys traded today. If you found anything else in the small cap world to trade other than WBT, or you know, I was looking at AVGR, but this is really stagnant as well, and it's just it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. So I didn't trade that. But yeah, I'd love to know what you guys traded and if you're green today. And that's all for today. Nice and short. It's just so unfortunate we're having this, but hey, this is reality. This is how the market goes. Some markets or some months are going to be freaking on fire, and then there's going to be some times when things are just super, super slow. And I definitely think we're in that right now. So, but anyways, who knows when the turnaround will be? I keep waiting for it. I'm excited. I'm waiting for it because I know at some point going to turn around. Things will explode at some point in the small cap world. So that's it for now, guys. Take care. Really appreciate you all tuning in, and I really appreciate a lot of the feedback. I do read the comments, and I appreciate everyone that tunes in and shares a little something on how their day went day trading. So appreciate that, and we'll see you tomorrow.